Welcome to the latest edition of Relationship Tips. Today's topic, the frozen image. Have you ever had these thoughts about your relationship? Our relationship would be perfect and I'd be so happy if he'd only change. Have you pointed out these frustrating behaviors to your partner by starting sentences with words like, "you always," or "you never"? The fact is, nothing will ever change with this approach, and you'll become stuck in a painful pattern. By using always and never phrases, you're freezing your partner in the very image you find offensive. Here's what's happening. When you freeze your partner in a frustrating image, it's because that matches an image you've experienced before in childhood. It's familiar. What's more, all your relationship skills are based on being with a caretaker in that frustrating image. So in reality today, if your partner were to change behaviors you dislike, you'd find it uncomfortable and even terrifying because subconsciously, you'd fear your own ability to be in a relationship with him. You wouldn't have the relationship skill set. This isn't your fault. You learned this back and forth interaction at an early age with your caretaker. And a pattern was formed where you learned what a love relationship should look like, sound like, and feel like. So an absence of that pattern today could throw you off balance and increase your anxiety. That's why unconsciously, you steer him toward familiar and frustrating behaviors. The pattern of freezing your partner can be subtle or extreme. For example, a person who grew up in an alcoholic family would be sensitized to that environment. So, if your partner has one drink a month, you might feel the need to say to him, "I think you have a drinking problem." While your comment doesn't match reality, you can see where it comes from and how it damages your relationship. The good news is these subtle and extreme freezing behaviors can be broken and patterns can be changed. So try the following tips to guide you. Begin actively listening to your partner and really make an effort to get to know him on a deeper level. When possible, it's always helpful to mirror his words. These steps will allow you to see the real him and help you develop necessary skills to be with him as his real self emerges. Be kind to each other during this process. It takes time to change old patterns. Remind yourself this is a necessary development skill, and that the old pattern that kept you safe as a child simply damages you and your partner today. Finally, trust your capacity to learn and grow outside of your comfort zone as you develop new ways to be with your partner. When you grow and heal together, you strengthen your relationship. So until next time, change happens best when insight is combined with action.